Are there teens in your community who are struggling with their emotions, stress, or social issues? If you want to help young people improve their mental well-being, reach their full potential, and be paid well for your time, please listen carefully. Hi, I'm Rain Lacko, arts advocate and student support mentor. There's an affordable, tested online program to move you quickly and efficiently into a high-integrity leadership role. Start and grow a meaningful, arts-based, social-emotional workshop for teens based on the acclaimed Dream Up Now journal. Your online workshop can help young people move from darkness into light, supplement your income, and enrich your skill set as a leader and educator. There's a lot of conflicting and unfortunately time-consuming programs out there about social-emotional learning. It can be overwhelming to figure out how to run a business for helping teens in this chaotic, unpredictable world. But there are 4 actionable steps you can take right now. 1. Enroll in our online course to find out how to establish your own arts-based social-emotional workshop or after-school program for teens aged 12 to 18. 2. Get certified as a Dream Up Now leader through a 2-hour webinar. 3. Set your own workshop times and tuition cost per student. 4. Invite your students to your personalized, safe and secure online classroom preloaded with everything you need to teach, included free with your certification. The Dream Up Now journal offers a fun and cost-effective solution to managing fluctuating teen emotions while supporting positive mental health. What are the teens in your community worried about right now? Are they at risk and need help sorting out family or school relationships? Do they struggle with emotional issues, sadness, stress, or pressure? Are they lonely or isolated? Or do they struggle with identity? Now is the time to change your teen community's mindset for the better. Our online course, 6 Easy Steps to Leading the Transformational Workshop Teens Want to Attend, is available right now at www.dreamupnow.com, and it is entirely self-paced. Our certification process is efficient, empowering, and straightforward, and it can be completed online. You matter, and as a certified leader, you'll have access to ongoing coaching and support from me, co-founder Leslie Holmes, and the Dream Up Now team. You're only 6 easy steps from quickly and efficiently setting up a workshop to help students move from darkness into light. Click on the link to enroll, and let's get started.